How to locate an underground residential sewer line with a tile probe. First, we look at the roof for the roof vents regarding the plumbing. If we find the roof vent that is over the bathroom where the toilets are, and then normally it's a 3-inch pipe. Sometimes it's been reduced, but we find that roof vent. And then secondly, we want to go outside to the sidewalk at the street and look for a letter S on the curb. Right there it is, letter S, indicating sewer. Now, we want to picture an imaginary line between the bathroom roof vent by the toilet to this S on the sidewalk. We also want to start probing as close to the house as possible, because the closer you are to the foundation, the more shallow is the sewer line, is generally the principle. The farther you get from the house, normally the deeper it is. Some sewer lines do flow uphill with a sewage pump, but that's the general idea. This house, somebody has done the front yard with concrete bricks, making it harder. Once you choose your location where you're going to search for the sewer line, you want to work sideways with the tile probe. You have the S on the sidewalk, imaginary line to the roof vent, a straight line going that way. So you want to cross it with your tile probe, going across it sideways, pushing the tile probe down into the dirt until it hits the pipe and stops. And then you can probe it in line with the pipe to be sure that you have the pipe and not just a rock. And that's how that works. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.